Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be explaining the AT&T Secure Family app. We will understand how the app works and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. So AT&T Secure Family app is a parental control and family safety app that helps parents manage how their kids use their smartphones. The app is going to allow parents to monitor the device activity, track the location, and control the screen time from their own phone. It works by connecting the family member's device through the app so that parents can manage the settings remotely. Now, one of the main features of the app is real-time location tracking. Parents can see whether their children's phone is located on a map, which can be helpful for knowing when they arrive at school, home, or other locations. Another important feature is screen time management. Parents can set the daily time limits for the device usage, schedule times when the phone should not be used, or temporarily pause the internet access on the device. The app also provides the content and the app controls. You can basically block certain websites and the apps or restrict the internet access during certain times of the day. This helps reduce exposure in inappropriate content or distractions. So the real question here is it actually worth using in 2026? So in my opinion, for the families who want more control over their kids' smartphone usage, AT&T Secured Family application can be a helpful solution. It combines the location tracking, screen time controlling, and parental management tools into one app. However, the usefulness depends on how much monitoring parents want and whether their children already use other parental control tools. If this video helped you understand the app better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.